Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a mini Bluetooth amplifier unit with inbuilt battery system. So it will give you backup of about 4 to 5 hours and you can play any 3 watt speaker with the help of this unit. So you can see the size of the unit is very small and it is very portable. So you can see it is smaller than that of my phone also. So let's see how I have built it. So first of all I have made the outer case design with the help of 3D animation. So after that I have to convert it into codic file, that is G code for printer, and I have to provide this support. You can see I have provided blue color support to complete the printing part. So without the support the printing cannot be processed. So now I have started the printing work, you can see. So it will take about 4 to 5 hours for printing this outer casing. So after completing the outer casing you have to remove all the support and the main outer casing is ready. So friend, now I will install all the circuit, battery, power jack uh, and audio jack unit. The top part of the amplifier will be kept transparent so that the circuit board can be viewed from outside and it will look pretty amazing. So after installing all the part you can see it is looking amazing and it is very lightweight and portable. So friend, I have provided left and right audio jack to connect 3 watt 4 ohm speaker with this amplifier. So friend, now I will install the transparent top so that it will look very amazing. So friend, you can see the build part is almost completed. Now I have connected with charger to charge the unit and you can see it is charging. So friend, you can see by this way you can able to create your custom Bluetooth amplifier unit, and it is pretty powerful because the circuit I have taken is from my old Bluetooth unit which was not in good condition. So you can see it is working fine and look wise it is very amazing. In my next video I will show you how to make the speaker unit of this amplifier so that a complete amplifier set will be ready for entertainment. So friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.